So yeah, here we are with CDAC and with Miss Arpita. So they have developed drones and they have developed the softwares to control it as well, and a beautiful controller to control the drones as well. So it looks so great. And let's pass the mic to them and let's see what they have on hands.
Hi, so this is Arpita, and I work at CDAC Bangalore. So this is we work into drone development, and this is our flight controller, which has been indigenously developed by us, and it's made in India. The flight controller is capable of uh, fixing into this quadcopter as well as the hexacopter. So quadcopter is basically a drone with 4 arms, and hexacopter is basically a drone with 6 arms. We are still trying to integrate AI/ML into it. So yeah, the this is the hexacopter which we have been built up with a payload capacity of around 5 kgs. And this kit we sell it as a development kit as of now. And this is our motor test jig. It basically helps in checking the efficiency of the motors in the drones. Check, yeah, like thrust, vibration, and those all things. Yeah, so these are a few products that our team does. We are working into it. Thank you.
So what kind of microcontrollers do you use in these? Like the serial communication that you mentioned later.
So microcontroller is STM32 based
Okay.
microcontrollers.
What language do you use C for that, right?
Embedded C.
Okay. Nice, beautiful products. Wonderful. And when it comes to drones, especially when in electronics, it's a very enthusiastic thing to see drones here, right? So yeah, and this one is like a massive one. So I thought we could fly it up, but it's not possible with this condition. So, anyways, anytime later when we see these guys again with this man, we'll try to do that.